The full name of TH is Taihe Hardware. We provide custom metal parts and non-standard parts. The goal is to be a 100-year enterprise. CEO Ju is a great philanthropist and also a more than 30 years senior mold engineer. TH obtained certificates for ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949 certification, obtained 20 patents, and was approved as a high-tech enterprise, government-supported enterprise, and credit enterprise. TH has a proud PMC management team who arranges orders with very scientific management tools and can prioritize meet your delivery time. Several of our senior engineers are from the top group companies in the industry, and they have excellent views and technologies in process analysis, cost control, and mold design. The main products of TH are chassis, cover, panel, auto stamping parts, spring clips, contact, CNC parts, brackets, and so on. Various surface treatments can be done, such as plating for gold, silver, galvanizing, tin, nickel, dachrome, powder coat, anodizing, sandblasting, brushed, polishing, and so on. TH has advanced and high-end testing equipment, a 3-dimensional measuring instrument, 2-dimensional measuring instrument, salt spray tester, anti-UV tester, colorimeter measurement, and so on. TH has a professional quality management team, IQC, IPQC, FQC, OQC, and a professional quality customer complaint after-sales processing team.
Hello everyone, this is Taihe.
When you have any idea of metal part, we will design and turn it to physical product fast.
Our commitment is all the products you receive from us are qualified. Looking forward to meeting you.